Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this two-piece, 2-in-1 cutting board set. I love how these are done. They're packaged really nicely where it comes together, but one side is this wheat straw where you can cut fruits and veggies, and it even has a little grating area on here, so if you wanted to zest some lemons or limes or oranges or whatever, you can easily zest that on here. You've got a nice little indented area in here, so if you're doing something that's juicy, it'll just grasp right in here rather than all over everywhere else. The handle has a nice little area for your fingers to go in or hang it up. Nice little rubberized area here. And then whenever you flip it over, you have all titanium. So if you are wanting to do like meats or anything, you can easily cut on here without putting all those lines and getting any sort of anything stuck back into your meat. And they come in two different sizes. So you actually have the 15-inch and then the 12-inch. Now to use it, I've got my giant cucumber here I got out of my garden. I mean, I can go through and just cut right on them and no lines. So that is fantastic. That's doing a great job protecting my table, and it cuts really nicely as far as, you know, all the stuff is not going anywhere else. So this will make a beautiful addition to anyone's kitchen, whether you want a big one, small one. They're nice and, you know, 1/2 inch wide, so they're not going to take up a whole lot of space. These would be great for any kitchen.